So what's up guys, today we'll be making today we'll be making slime out of glue and eye drops. So let's get started. 3, 2, 1. So first you will need something to mix it up. I'll be using my cup. Something to mix with. Elmer's glue, eye drops. Let's get started. First, pour some glue in a container. Then add some eye drops.
It takes thousands of eye drops to bago naging mix na 18 yan. Like still beautiful.
Okay, there. Mix it up. So you wanna mix it up? Okay, there. Mix it up until it forms like a slime thing. Yeah, sorry for that noise. I'll be adding a little music so you won't hear that. So hear this. Okay, sorry about that. So yes, it's forming a little. Okay, mix it up until it forms. Mix it. Yeah, try to add a little baking soda. So yes, I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Let's keep mixing with it. Okay, someone is here. Okay, there to stop. So okay, when it's sticky, add more glue. There it is. Okay, it's enough. Put the same amount that I put. Yes, there. So guys, I'll be right back when I'm done mixing my own slime. So yes, I'm back and done. So yes guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like for more videos and updates. Bye.